This is my one-hit wonder. She wear my apron. She weighs my bacon. She wears my apron. She weighs my bacon. She wears my apron. She wears my bacon. Sheila comes over and let me bring her over and cooks me some okra as I take a big toka of some weed, nigga. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. Gina licks my snookie after she bakes me cookies, and she let me smoke when we done smashing. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron while she weigh my bacon. Gina, oh shit, Tina, it's not Cecilia. She always calls to fondle my balls, smelling steak sauce when my dick is off. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She wear my apron. She weigh my bacon. She always wear nothing but my apron. And she always weigh my bacon. She always wears nothing but my apron. She wears my apron. She weighs my bacon. She wears my apron. She weighs my bacon. Man, I love my kitchen gals. Ooh.